The new chapter is the statistics. So for example they given, so object, number of objects we have, so number of ball we have 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 balls. Bat, number of bat 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 bat. Funnel 1 2 3 4 funnel. Squares 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, these are my objects. So number of things I'm having this is, so I'm having a collection of the things, the collection of the data, which is mathematically we do collection of the data. Okay, by using this we are going to see about the necessity of the collection of data. So the population census, okay, the yearly ones they're taking a census, right? Then wicket taken by the bowler in last 5 matches, so they're having a previous sessions to increasing that counts, right? That's only. Okay, so your Aadhaar card number, date of birth and phone number, these are your data collection only. So the data means in a day-to-day facts. The numerical information of facts collected are known as the data. So collection of the information, numerical information, that is a data. That's when the collection of the data. Okay, data is nothing but collection of the information. So the word is a collection of data. For example, Vetri and how many sweets she likes. So how many sweets prepared. Gulab jamun, friends Adi and laddu prepared. So it's having a variety of the sweets, right? That's only. So the types of the data, we are having 2 types. One is a primary data, another one is a secondary data. Primary data means it's nothing but only collection from the original source, as no gone by any statistical treatment. It's only for collection of particular persons. So the list of the absent in the class. So if you are 6th standard means, so in 6th standard 2 persons is absent means I mentioned 2 persons, I am not counting for others. So only particularly I am maintaining my record. So a survey on writing habit of students counted by a pen manufacturing company. Okay, so the students, survey of the students, so each and every student's different variety of the pen they are getting. The types of leaves collected by students from studying age, all obviously, so particular leaves only they are getting, so collection of that. So particular persons, that only they mention, the particularly your own. So secondary data means there are nothing but census and the Aadhaar card number. We are having in India means we are having lots of the numbers. So the government is filing that data, right? That is what secondary data. The secondary data consists of the second-hand information. Second-hand information, it's not only mine. So if you're sending your mail to me means that's the second information, okay, for you. So it could have been collected by someone other than the user. So it's not mine. You only sending the mail. So I'm checking that answer. That's for you only. So for some other purpose. So for your understanding, how you understand only, I am searching, right? That's only. The headmaster collect the students' absentees list from the school office. So headmaster collected all the classes absentees, not only the 6th standard. So the headmaster is collected for the LKG 2 up to 12th standard, a record for absentees, right? That's only. So what are the organization of the data? We are having a tally and a frequency. So for example, so if you are having a sweet Kesari, so how many members? 1 2 3. So what is the frequency? How many mark you are getting? 3 mark. Gulab jamun, how many members they taking? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 11 members they mentioned, but it's very difficult, right? So by using the data, this is they giving a tick model, but by using the mathematical data they mention that is a tally mark. So how many marks we have? 3. So you're representing vertical line. So 3 means 1 2 3. Okay, so gulab jamun, so like this, the 11. So that counting very simple. The perfect tally marks are taken or given by. So 1 means this, like this, 2 means this, 3 means this, 4 means this, 5 means 1 2 3 4. So this count, so you know this is my 5. So 1 2 3 4, then this 5. So again this 5. So 5 plus 5 10. You can calculate easily, right? That's one of the mention. So the Kesari, they are having a 3 members. So 1 2 3. So directly write gulab jamun. So 5 5. So 10. So 1. Are you clear? So it's easy to find out. So 10. So 5 and 5. Taking 10, 6. So 5 count plus 1. So I'm saying getting 6. So the standard form of the representing data is got by using the tally mark. This is a tally mark. Tally mark is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the last one. Then you having 6 means 6 7 8 9 10. 11 12 13 14 15. The fifth will be downward. That's the major. The occurrence of each information is made by a vertical line. So each and every information is made by a vertical. This is our line, right? Vertical line, like that one. This is a vertical. So every fifth tally is recorded by the striking. So we are striking like this. The previous 4 vertical line was a normal, but the fifth should be strike like this. This makes counting up to the tally is easy. So it will be easy to count yourself. So for example, they given like this. Tamara is fond of reading books. The number of pages read by her on every day during the last 40 days are given by. So have each day during last day. So 40 days. So she is reading lots of the book. So particularly the counting. So in last 40 days. Okay. So how many pages in first day? They mentioned 40 days. They giving counting like this. So 1. So I'm taking 1. So how many ones I'm having? So 1. How many ones? So 1. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7 ones I'm having. This is a tally mark. So what is the frequency? Means total number of mark we're getting 7. That is a frequency mathematically. Then we are having a 3. Okay, but they are arranged in order. Okay, so 1 mean next number should be 2. So where is the 2? So 2. So 2. So 2. Again one more. So second and third and fourth and fifth and sixth. We are having like this. So while I am doing the sum, you can understand. Directly we will move to the sums. The exercise 5.1. So the collected information is called what? Now only we learned. What you learning? Collection of information is called data. Only we are learning, right? So data. So an example of a primary data is dash. Primary data is classroom. It's easy to take. Classroom attendance. It's very easy, right? So an example of the secondary data, Aadhaar card or census. Okay. Then the tally mark for number 7 is standard form. What is the tally mark? So we are having 7. So what's the tally mark? So we already know the tally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's only they are asking. 7 standard form. Then the second question, Vijay throw a dice. Okay, it's a die for 30 times and note down the result each time as follows. So prepare a table on the number shows using tally mark. But in your dice, okay, in your dice we already know it should be marked. First of all, you ordered that number. So we are having a 1. The next number 2. The next number 3, the next number 4, next number 5, next number 6. Anything you leave it? No. So how many numbers we are having? Up to 6. So I can write in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now only we saw, right? So in this place, so I am having 1 1. So in tally, so 1. So 1, then in this row, no, then 2 ones, right? 1 and 1. How many ones I am having? 1, 2, 3. Then 2's. 1, then and there's no 2's. So how many counting frequencies? 3. This is a 2, then 3. So 1, 2. So 1, 2 in first row, and in this place nothing. So I can write 2. Then 4. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5. 5 means how can I draw? Like this. Then 6. So this is a 5, this is a 6, right? Then how many 5's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many 5 plus 4? 9. Then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many count? 8. But what they mentioned? 30 times. Okay. So 30 times. Whether it's coming 30 times or not. Let's see. So 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 10. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. We already know 18. 18. So the balance we are having it 2. 10. So I am getting a total is a 30. So if you are adding a frequency, the counting should be tally. Time counting should be equal to that given. Okay, the counting should be equal to how many times? So it's 30. So obviously we did a correct answer. This is for your homework. So the same process they given here what? Red, then blue, then white, then grey, then green. Okay, they're giving a 5 colors only: red, blue, white, grey, green. These 5 colors same. So how we did by using the tally? It's a count and take. That's it.